Hey guys, I hope you are doing good. So in this video, we are going to learn about how we can create a healthy relationship with our money. Yes, you have heard it right, because money is basically a form of energy and it vibrates on our own thoughts. So if you have a very positive attitude and you have a lot of gratitude for money, that amount or more than that will come to in your life with ease. You don't really need to struggle about it. But if you have a negative thought about it, or you always think of this, that you really have to struggle to earn certain amount of money, or penny I need to save for my harder time. So every time anything that work that you might be doing, even if you have to receive an increment or bonus, you will always find whatever you are expecting, you get a half amount of it, or it gets delayed, because you are not showing that gratitude or respect to that money vibration. And you always feel, or you always basically complain about running short of fund, and you're not having enough sufficient amount. Though whatever the amount is, you feel grateful because you are having that amount in your account, in your hand. There are many who don't even have that. So if you give respect to the money definitely in return gives you that respect and makes ways and doors to let that money flow into your life. So if you really want to create a healthy relationship, and if you feel that there is some block or hurdle, then start working with your own self. Change that vibration, that thought pattern within yourself for the money, and see the doors are opening and the blockages are getting removed from your life. So you can just take up a note, like I have this 500 rupees note INR. So this is 500 rupees INR that I am having in my hand. So what you can do is you can just take the note, feel that vibration, that energy that is flowing between you and the money. And if you feel there's some negative thought, or if you feel that it must have come from many hands, and we really don't know whose thoughts are there in this money, you can cleanse it with the visualization, that you can just visualize that the white light is coming from the cosmic, and it is cleansing away all the negative memories or the thoughts that are latching on this currency, this note. And it is creating a lot of positive vibration, and now there's a cordial healthy vibration frequency that is flowing between you and the money. And this way you can send it to your bank account, in your locker, in your wallet daily, and you will see that slowly that money in your life is showing up, and suddenly there will be like a miracle, that amount shows up into your life that you might not have expected about it. So this is how you can work with money, but you need to show gratitude. And there's an affirmation that you can chant daily. Like I love chanting this affirmation, that I am a money magnet, money flows to me with ease. So you can chant this affirmation of 108 times in a day, or you can journal it down. Feel that every word that you are writing, and you visualize that that money is flowing to you with ease, and you are like a money magnet, and you're pulling that amount into your life. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any insights that you would like to share about it, you can drop a message in the comment box, or you can message me personally. I would love to hear from your side also. Till then, you guys take care. Atma Namaste.